Khoskrikhe Malkhum Mothorthaniwo Phine Thanawo Choba Khlaja Patimung Kailasahar Srirampur Jaijoro Shaimanka Srirampur Jaijor Sakawo Malkhum Belekino Khoskrikhe Mothorthaniwo Tabok Lahar Patimungo Klai Phine Thanawo Choba Khlaja Debipur Kamini Sumonto Shinha Lemboshara Bagbariwo Tongma Rajashri College of Education and Skill College Tripura Hapangbai Goshimung Manjak Te Tripura University ni affiliated eba Rungkhungo Chitokja Kaisa English Medium College Oro Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Botany, Geology, Human Physiology, Geography, English, Kokborok, Political Science, History, Education, Philosophy, Sociology or subject of Porijago or Rungno Kotoro Pornerongno All India Competitive Amjamurungni Bagibo Magnang no Frungjago Rungsuna Bagai Thugai Duda Mentor Tongo Tei Tongo Bas Malkhuni Sepsap Tongo Kuchukbremni Laboratory Smart Class Babai Buri Naithok Krangjak Tongberni Bishingo Songsajak Rajashri College Khas Rangino Sabsutara Nobo Chawi Lekhapura Klaimano.
My name is Pinky Devarma and I'm pursuing BSc in Geography Honours. Rajashri College is one of the best colleges I have ever met in my life. The teachers, the faculty, they provide us to empower in our life and to go for our beautiful future in our life so that we can grow in our daily life. And the teacher, they provide us mentor and they teach how to do the PowerPoint presentation and they encourages us to know about more ability to grow in our environment.
Ani mung Kailasahar ma ang geography department ni o college so ang tak second year kalayo bebak mane jeng je college kata phaimani teacher rok sung onek guide khaika kata mani phrungjaka jemon jeng public din rok srungo bai kai student ngo interact khainani gai class o bai kai jeng dolok bai cooperate khai tongnani above the education college sung tomo mani phrungu tak nang na di modern technology ro phaitong AI rong ni amrong phrungjago te sin internet rong ni bo kahamno exam ro kaham kan cholibo phrungma ro kaham teacher rok belai no guide kheo kaham kai jengno jani jeng mungsung mayang tongai sungkai teacher rok personally jengno phrungo engke jengno jani suppose jeng tabuk kuno mungsa problem kulai tongkha engke teacher rok belai no jengno kaham kai bojogo that bo lamate bidi ke thanai jeng lama hamya kulai tongkha borokno jengno tuna nayo kaham lamao jengno mushroom plantation rok phrungo ungko khongkaima rok phrungo plantation of plants and other than that computer skill rok phrungjago because modern day modern technology ma porinai so modern technology pori hangai jeng brain tola kalai thanai thank you.
My name is Isha Bhomik from 6th semester Physics Department of Rajashri College. This college provides a great opportunity and lots of facility to learn and endure the knowledge and learn more skills in the life. And yeah, I learned a lot of skills from this college and now it's very useful to tackle with the day-to-day life and to deal with many biggest universities and biggest fields. Thank you.
Haike Lereawi Tinino Fadi Nini Ani Jodani College Rajashri College of Education and Skill Nikuma Bagbari Lemboshara Tripura Kokdug number 9873673875